Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the top 5 best drones in 2025. Whether you want a drone for travel, content creation, or professional aerial footage, these drones offer great value, smart features, and impressive performance. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. SKYROVER X1 Fly More Combo. The SKYROVER X1 is an ultralight drone weighing under 249 grams, equipped with a 4K camera for video and 8K for photos. It supports a massive 50,000-foot transmission range and delivers up to 96 minutes of total flight time using 3 batteries. The X1 stands out for its incredible range and long battery life. The compact size makes it ideal for travel, and the image quality is sharp for aerial photography. It's a great choice if you want range and portability without needing FAA registration. Pros: under 249G, no registration needed. 4K video and 8K photo capabilities. Very long 50,000-foot transmission. 96-minute flight time with 3 batteries. Easy to fly for beginners. Cons: not as stable as premium drones in heavy wind, limited obstacle avoidance. Number 2. Ruko F11 GIM2 drone with gimbal and EIS 4K camera. The Ruko F11 GIM2 features a 4K stabilized camera with a gimbal and EIS, 96 minutes of combined flight time, and a 16,404-foot long-range FPV transmission. It includes GPS, auto-return, and level 6 wind resistance. This drone offers exceptional stability, making it perfect for smooth cinematic footage. The gimbal combined with EIS produces impressive results for its price range. Its build quality and wind resistance also make it more reliable outdoors. Pros: 4K camera with gimbal plus EIS. Strong wind resistance. Long 96-minute flight time. Stable flight and smooth footage. Reliable GPS features. Cons: heavier compared to under 249G drones. Transmission range is shorter than premium models. Number 3. GPS drone with 4K camera plus 5-inch LCD controller. This drone includes a 4K camera, GPS positioning, auto-return, follow-me mode, circle fly, and an impressive 90-minute total flight time. It comes with a built-in 5-inch LCD tablet on the controller, eliminating the need for a smartphone. A great pick for beginners and casual flyers who want a simple setup. The built-in screen makes flying easier and avoids connection issues with smartphones. The brushless motors provide solid stability, and the flight modes are fun to use. Pros: 5-inch LCD screen included. 4K camera with GPS features. Long 90-minute flight time. Beginner-friendly flight modes. Lightweight and foldable. Cons: camera quality is good but not professional level. Not ideal for strong winds. Number 4. DJI Spark Alpine White. Although older, the DJI Spark remains one of the best portable mini drones. It features a 1080p stabilized camera, intelligent flight modes, gesture control, quick shot features, and reliable GPS stability. The Spark is still popular for its compact design and reliable DJI performance. While the camera is only 1080p, the stabilization and color profile are excellent. It's great for beginners or travel vloggers needing a dependable mini drone. Pros: extremely compact and portable. Reliable DJI hardware and software. Stable flight and good color capture. Easy to use intelligent modes. Great for beginners and travelers. Cons: only 1080p camera. Shorter flight time compared to modern drones. Number 5. 4K GPS drone with brushless motor, beginner friendly. This lightweight under 250-gram drone includes a 4K camera, follow-me mode, 5G FPV transmission, brushless motors, auto-return, and long-distance control. Designed for beginners and kids, it offers strong value at an affordable price. An excellent entry-level drone with a surprisingly good feature set. The camera is decent, and the brushless motors give smoother, quieter performance. It's ideal for anyone wanting a starter 4K drone without spending much. Pros: under 250 gram and lightweight. Beginner-friendly auto features. Brushless motors for stable flight. Good 5G FPV range. Affordable price. Cons: camera quality varies in low light, not ideal for strong winds. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which drone you think is the best choice for 2025. All product links are in the description if you want to learn more. See you in the next video.